Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're stepping into the future of agriculture with the 2026 Wheat Thresher Machine, and this is not just a machine review. This is a full concept interior experience that shows how farming technology is evolving to make life easier, smarter, and more efficient for farmers. As you approach the 2026 Wheat Thresher, the first thing you notice is its modern, solid build. It feels powerful yet refined, designed to handle long working hours in tough field conditions. But once you step inside, that's where the real transformation begins. This is no longer a noisy, uncomfortable workspace. The interior has been completely reimagined with the operator in mind, focusing on comfort, control, and productivity. The operator cabin feels surprisingly spacious. There's more legroom, better seating posture, and a seat that looks and feels premium, built to reduce fatigue during long harvesting sessions. The suspension seat absorbs vibrations from uneven fields, which means less stress on the body and more focus on the job. Visibility is excellent, with wide glass panels that give you a clear view of the threshing process and the surrounding field. Right in front of the operator is a clean, modern control panel. Instead of old-style levers scattered everywhere, the 2026 model brings a more organized layout. Digital displays show real-time data like grain output, engine performance, fuel efficiency, and threshing speed. Everything is placed within easy reach, so adjustments can be made quickly without interrupting the workflow. One of the most impressive parts of this concept interior is how quiet it feels. Advanced insulation reduces engine and mechanical noise, creating a calmer working environment. This might sound like a small upgrade, but for farmers who spend hours inside the machine, it makes a huge difference in reducing stress and improving concentration. The climate control system is another big step forward. Whether it's extreme heat or cooler weather, the cabin temperature remains comfortable. Dust protection has also been improved, keeping the air inside cleaner and healthier, which is especially important during wheat harvesting seasons. Storage and practicality haven't been ignored either. There are smart storage compartments for tools, documents, and personal items. USB ports and power outlets allow operators to charge devices, making the cabin feel more connected and modern than ever before. From a performance perspective, this wheat thresher is designed to deliver consistent, high-quality output. The interior systems allow precise control over threshing intensity, reducing grain damage and improving overall efficiency. This means better results with less waste, which directly impacts profitability for farmers. Overall, the 2026 Wheat Thresher Machine concept shows how agricultural machinery is moving toward a more human-centered design. It's not just about power and capacity anymore, it's about comfort, intelligence, and sustainability. This interior experience proves that the future of farming is not only productive but also more comfortable and technologically advanced. If you enjoyed this deep look inside the future of wheat threshing, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.